Hey everyone, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Instant Pot Chana Masala. Chana Masala is a chickpea curry that's really popular on Indian restaurant menus and it's a popular dish throughout India. I'll show you the ingredients and then I'll show you how to make it. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for the chana masala. Please note that these ingredients are not in the order that they're used. If you want to get them in the order that they're used, go to my website and just click on the link at the top that says go to recipe card and you'll get the list of ingredients in the order that they're used. You'll need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1.5 cups of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, half a jalapeno pepper, this is optional, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, which is a less spicy Indian chili powder. If you don't have it, you can use cayenne, but use a lesser quantity or to taste. Half a teaspoon of paprika, this gives it some color. 1/4 teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of brown sugar. This is optional, but I like to add it to just balance out all the flavors. 1 cup of dried chickpeas or 2 cans of cooked chickpeas, half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of amchur, which is dried mango powder. If you can't find it, you can use lemon juice, but it is easily available at Indian grocery stores. 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves, also known as methi. Make sure you don't use the fenugreek seeds. They are not the same thing. One more thing you'll need is 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or ghee or coconut oil. You have 3 choices for the chickpeas. You can soak them overnight in enough water to cover them, or you can use my Instant Pot quick soak method for soaking chickpeas or any other bean. It's really a great hack, and if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check that one out. And the other choice is to use canned chickpeas, and when we add those, I'll give you some alternate instructions for using canned chickpeas. First, heat the Instant Pot in saute mode and add the vegetable oil. And once the oil is hot, add the cumin seeds and saute them briefly. You don't want them to burn, so just be careful and watch the temperature. If you need to, lift the inner pot out of the Instant Pot unit to prevent the burning. Immediately add the onion, garlic, and ginger and saute them until they're nice golden brown. This golden browning of the onion mixture is going to add a lot of flavor to this curry. So take your time, don't rush it. And if you need to, add a few tablespoons of water to deglaze the onions to keep them from sticking to the bottom. Once the onions are a deep golden brown, mix the tomato paste with some water and stir them into the onions. If you find that they're sticking to the bottom, make sure you add a little bit of water or broth to deglaze the Instant Pot. Now turn off saute mode and you'll cook the spices in the residual heat because you don't want to burn them. Add the coriander, turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder or cayenne pepper, paprika, fennel powder, salt, pepper, brown sugar, and stir all the spices together in the residual heat for about 15 to 20 seconds. Add 1.5 cups of water, the soaked chickpeas or drained canned chickpeas. Stir everything together. Make sure there's nothing stuck on the bottom of the pot. Close the lid and pressure cook at high pressure for 35 minutes for soaked chickpeas or 5 minutes for canned chickpeas. Now, if you want to use dried unsoaked chickpeas, then you can add those dried chickpeas to the Instant Pot at this stage and pressure cook for like 55 minutes. It can take even an hour. It just depends on how old the chickpeas are and how long they've been sitting on the shelf at the grocery store. So I would, just to be safe, try 55 minutes and they should be cooked by then. When you're all done, you're going to do a full natural release. Let the float valve drop on its own. Open the lid and add the fenugreek, the garam masala, and the amchur, which is the dried mango powder. As I said earlier, if you can't find it, add a teaspoon of lemon juice or to taste. Stir everything together in sauté mode. If you find that it's too liquidy, you can just reduce the liquid in sauté mode until it's thick enough to your taste. I hope you enjoy the recipe and thanks for watching.